Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about another notification which has been released by RBI. RBI Grade B legal notification is now out. There are 5 vacancies. We are going to look into the details of that recruitment in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. This is attached in the description. You can download it and check out the various details. For legal officer, there are 5 vacancies. 3 are of general post, 1 SC and 1 OBC non-creamy layer. Eligibility criteria is as on July 1, 2025. As on July 1, 2025, for legal officer, your age should be a maximum 32 years of age. A candidate must have attained the age of 21 years and must not have attained the age of 32 years. Upper age limit is relaxable for reserved categories. You can check that out. And it's also relaxable in case you possess LLM and PhD in law. For LLM, 3 years relaxation is there. For PhD in law, 5 years relaxation is there. Just one quick thing, you can apply for this exam from July 11 to 31st of July and your date of examination is August 16. So you hardly have 1 month till the exam. Then moving ahead with the job requirements in the legal stream, you will be dealing with references on legal issues received from various departments of banks and associate institutions, which are mainly related to interpretation of various statutes such as RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, FEMA, Companies Act. You will be preparing initial drafts of legislation administered by the bank. You'll be preparing drafts of pleadings and comprehensive instructions, briefs to counsel in connection with litigation. You'll be appearing before conciliation officers, labor courts, tribunals on behalf of bank or any other work which is assigned by the bank. Education qualification as on July 1, 2025, you should have a bachelor degree in law from recognized university institution with a minimum of 50% marks or equivalent in aggregate of all semesters. This is 45% for reserved categories. Experience is also required. This is grade B post. Experience is usually required. You should enroll with Bar Council as an advocate. That can be Bar Council of India or Bar Council of State, but your enrollment should be valid. And you should have at least 2 years experience after being enrolled, either as an advocate or as a law officer in a legal department of a large bank, financial institution, statutory corporation, or as a full-time teacher in law college, university, teaching law. You should bring a copy of Bar Council registration. Enrollment certificate is required in all the cases, and a certificate from Bar Association of which the candidate is a member, or a certificate issued by presiding officer of the court before which the candidate have practiced for the required period. Desirable qualification is you should have special knowledge of banking law, company law, labor law, constitutional law, and experience in drafting of pleadings and documents. Syllabus is also specified. It is given in Appendix 2. We'll come to it a little bit later on. Coming to the test structure, test will be through online and offline mode, and there will be interview. So there is single level examination which will have both online and offline mode. Usually there are 2 papers. Paper 1 is general knowledge of law and paper 2 is descriptive English. Paper 1 general knowledge of law is both objective and descriptive, and it's a mix of online and offline examination. You will have objective questions of 30 marks. There are 15 questions of 30 marks. There is no negative marking. This is online. Now in descriptive paper, in this legal descriptive paper, the questions will appear on the screen and you have to write the answers on the sheets. So this descriptive portion is offline. Then your paper 2 is English descriptive. Here you will have 100 marks paper to be attempted in 3 hours. This is an online paper. So the questions will be on the screen and you have to type the answer using the keyboard. Now let's look at the other details and the syllabus. Monthly emoluments are mentioned. Just look at the grade B. Selected candidates will withdraw a basic salary of 78,450 with subsequent increments. They will also be eligible for day earners allowance, local compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, special grade allowance, learning allowance, grade allowance as per the rules in force from time to time. At present, initial monthly gross emoluments are approximately 1,49,000 rupees, DA being at 19.97% at 23,545. This does not include HRA. HRA of 15% of pay will be paid to those officers if they are not provided bank's accommodation. So in addition to 1,49,000 rupees, there will also be either HRA or leased accommodation. Then there are various other perquisites also present. You can read all of this. In cases present, residential accommodation is there. There will be provision period of 2 years. You can read out all these other details. We'll move to the syllabus in the Appendix 2. For legal officer grade B, for paper 1 general knowledge of law, you should have knowledge of constitutional law, administrative law, finance sector laws, procedural laws, principles of statutory interpretation, and legal drafting, etc. This syllabus is only indicative and not exhaustive. For your paper 2 English, you should have essay, precis writing, comprehension, business, office correspondence. This is all that you have to prepare for your both paper 1 and paper 2. I hope this gives you all the information about the notification. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also check out our RBI Legal online course and our various other courses. We provide video lessons, study notes, practice questions in the form of concept check questions, chapter test, section test, mock test. Since this is a descriptive paper, you will have descriptive mock test and detailed evaluation and personalized feedback of these descriptive mock tests. There will be descriptive booklets which can provide you a list of important questions along with sample descriptive answers. Our course is designed to help you prepare 50% faster. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.